Do you know that you can create this outline border in Canva? Let's check it out how. But before that, must save this video so that you can use it in your future. So you have to just open any of the templates and place any image without background and then select this draw tool. You can select any of these, either pen, marker or highlighter. But I will suggest to select this first and second one, and this is eraser tool to erase the things. This pointer is used for selecting the things, and even you can delete it by selecting. And here you can change the color whatever you want, and also here you can increase or decrease the weight of the line. And now start creating the outline, and even you can undo this. Remember one thing, don't draw all the line in just a single go. And boom, here it is. Follow for more.